not good. He gives more orders than a general would, and you are programmed to obey. Nope, likes it that way. Crack in the floor when he walks. Spewing out food when he talks. 350 pounds, and that's no lie. If he gains another round, he's gonna blow his tires. He's supreme commander in his own mind, and he rules you even on your own time. He's got the cash. He owns your sorry ass. He bellows to run. Doesn't pay for fun. He's got the cash. Suppositories up his ass. Brings a BO. Wins a great coup. He's the boss and he treats you like dirt. Kicking your ass every day at work. He's the boss and he's got the bucks. If he thinks he owns you, he's shit out of luck. Union workers aren't for him. They won't bow to his every whim. You're watching his truck at his command, messing up all of your private plan. Shift was over hours ago. You can't have the guts to say no. Get to his mansion he loves so true. You know he's gonna keep on walking on you. He's got the cash. He owns your sorry house. He bellows to run. Well, then buy a gun. So the day comes and you quit. You've had enough of his bullshit. He owes your wages, but you won't pay. He tells you to come back next Friday. And they come, and you go in, and that fat fucker is skipping you again! Years of frustration have built on you. This time waiting just won't do, so you brought a friend. It will aim 44 Magnum in this thing. Now the boss is really your friend. He thinks that it's the end. He's the boss. 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 He's the boss! He's the boss! He's the boss! He's the boss!